thank you for coming to our home. Wish you all the very best in life, and such a genuine person.
Thank
Support
you.
my sister, my brother, me too. And
Thank you, brother.
thank you guys. Kindly subscribe to Burundian Travel.
But guys, I'm joking. Anyway, another one for Aaron Dante. He's such a nice person, and yeah, Aaron, thank you so much for your guide to Burundian Travel.
Okay, bye bye.
Bye bye, and thank you so much.
Okay.
Yeah, guys.
See you again. All the best.
And with hello guys, what's up, my beautiful people? In case you are new, please subscribe guys, comment guys, share guys. I would appreciate. This is Burundian Travel over here. I'm in a beautiful village called Nyabo. See, you see how the place look like? Actually it's like this. So I'm gonna go in right here. I think you're gonna know this place actually very well. Yeah, I'm coming to see the Mwango. She invited me like, okay, you can come maybe see me a little bit at least. So she told me to come right here. Okay guys, I'm already there. I'm already even, you can see I'm to their home right here. And I got my bro David Jr. right here. Can say hi.
Hey guys, this is David Jr. Subscribe to my brother's channel and
Thank
also
you.
check me out. Thank you.
Thank you, brother. Okay guys, maybe I will put his link in description so that you can support him. So this is Mwango.
Hey guys, hope you're all doing well. Welcome to today's episode. My name is Mwango from Kenya here in Africa. I also create amazing videos.
For sure.
Road to 500,000. Please check me out as well. Subscribe, okay? And also, if you're watching from my YouTube channel, please subscribe to Burundian Traveler.
Burundian Traveler.
Okay, please.
Thank you.
Okay, be sure to subscribe. Just tell him Mwango sent me here.
I appreciate. So guys, actually this is like my last time right here, like to meet you. I don't know, maybe if you will meet another time.
God knows.
Yeah, for sure. So guys,
because also I'm about to say goodbye to my family.
Oh, sure.
And I'm just counting hours. So I don't know when next I'll be back, but God knows for sure.
For sure, maybe you can meet even another place.
Yeah,
so
maybe
I was
in another
like,
country. Who knows?
For sure. I was about to say goodbye, and then I asked my sister if maybe you can do the last video, like just to say goodbye.
Yeah, thank you so much for coming. Burundian Traveler, you're such a nice person.
Thank you.
I love how you work really hard. You don't complain and cry, and and that's the spirit. Keep pushing. Dreams are valid, man. You've been to Dubai already. One of the most visited countries in the world, which is my dream destination as well. So I think when you are there, you knew dreams are valid. It doesn't matter where you come from. It doesn't matter how you look. All that matters is here. Your mindset, how you see things in life, and of course God is there for us all,
Sure.
And what I know is when you push yourself, God helps you so much. He elevates you.
Wow.
Okay, so just keep grinding, keep the videos coming.
Thank you very much.
Let nobody tell you otherwise. You're doing it.
Okay, as I say goodbye, do you have any advice, a little advice to me, the way you see me? Maybe what can you advise me as I go?
What I can say is just keep doing it. You're doing good. Okay,
sure,
keep creating more videos. Keep learning. Learning is a continuous process. You keep learning every day. During your free time, do your research and all that. Me too, I still do that, because of course you have to keep learning and researching more. So, but I wish you all the best. You're doing it.
Sure,
never give up. Dreams are valid, Burundian Traveler. Never, never, never give up. Dreams are valid.
And not easy.
Yeah.
Oh wow, but I really appreciate a lot because you've been good for me every time,
Yeah, you're such a nice person, honestly. For me, I love honest people. Burundian Traveler is that person who understands. I'm at home, I get so busy sometimes, and he's like, can I come to them? Like, please, not today, maybe tomorrow. And he understands. Some people will be like, hey, Mwango chased me from their home. Mwango did this, which is
they are going even to do somebody.
Coco, come here and say hello to my friend's YouTube channel.
Hi.
Hi guys, how are you?
This is Coco Girl.
Yeah, this is Coco Girl.
What do you think about my African look, guys? This is new. This is new. I just want to be like you African.
Oh, sure.
Nice.
Welcome to Africa.
You're welcome to Africa. Thank you.
Welcome
Yes.
You like?
Yeah, it's good.
I'm going to see the reaction of Esther, of Mama Esther.
Oh, sure. Okay, that was Coco Girl, guys. You can check her out. She's also a good content creator for traveling videos, you know.
Yeah.
Wow.
So I was saying, keep doing it, Burundian traveler. You're doing good.
Thank you.
Keep up the spirit. Keep
Wow.
up the
I
spirit.
really
for
appreciate
sure.
for sure because more people, they congratulate for what I do. Even though there is some of them who say like, oh no, do this, or what you do is no good, like that.
No, you're
But
doing
not
it.
more actually. Yeah, so
Shkao.
shikamo. Okay. Guys, when we say shikamo here, it's like to say
A greeting.
yeah,
Hello.
greetings for someone who is older than you,
Yeah.
you know. Okay, so I really appreciate a lot, Dee, and may God keep bless you. And
Thank you.
I wish you all the best in your travels as you go,
Amen.
you know.
Thank you so much. All the best too. You know,
Yeah.
and don't limit yourself. Keep traveling here and there. Keep the videos coming.
Sure.
This is a new year. What's your goal this year?
This year,
Uh.
oh my God.
But you're traveling. You
maybe-
don't know your goal this
No,
year.
it's like maybe I can, maybe to hit somewhere like 15K. No, 20K. Like
20 Burundian traveler. 20 is less. But anyway, for sure, if you work hard, you're gonna surpass that.
Okay, let me
Are
just.
you going home?
No, I'm not going home right
Wow.
now. I'm gonna try like to travel there and there and there and there.
So you're going to a different country.
Yeah, now.
Oh, wow, that's good. Keep doing it.
Yeah. So guys, just wait. Maybe after, let me say around after this month, because there's something I'm still researching here in your village like that and whatever. Then maybe I will have to move a bit.
Yeah.
But just soon, you will see
Soon.
more video from different countries, and I need to travel like crazy. I don't wanna know.
Don't step on my dog.
Oh,
No, it was
I was shocked.
by
If-
mistake.
Even I didn't knew that he's a cat. Yeah.
Yeah, this is my beautiful cat. It's called
Wow.
Lira. It's a baby girl.
Ri?
Lira.
Oh,
Say Lira.
Rira.
Burundian traveler, say Lira.
Rira.
Lira.
Rira. Rira.
No, Lira.
Rira.
No, Burundian traveler.
Ri.
Say Li. No, Li.
Ri.
Lale,
Ri.
Li. Say Lale.
Lare,
No.
Rira. Rira.
No. Say La.
Ra. Ra.
No, brother. La.
Ra. Ra.
No, you're still not getting it?
Ra. Ra.
La.
Ra.
No, not Ra. Say Lira.
Rira. Ah. Rira.
Say it. Lira.
Rira.
Guys, what do you think? Anyway, guys, so actually,
Rira. Rira. Is it Rira? Rira. 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 Rira.
Li?
Ri.
No, Li.
Li.
Li. Ouch, my cat is now scratching me. Ay, Lira. It wants to go down. Okay, go. Lira.
Oh, this pronunciation.
It's hard.
Is L.
Yeah, L.
Li. Ri.
Yeah, Li.
Ri.
He's
Ri.
up there at Maro's room.
Ri. I think
Li.
I did it. Ri. Rira. Rira. Rira.
Okay, you've tried. Good job.
You just lied to me.
But you've
Bro, you
tried.
can say Rira. Rira.
Yeah,
As she said, try.
Say.
Try then.
Lira.
Yes. Lira.
Lira.
Rira.
Don't worry, Burundian traveler. You're doing good.
Burundian. I think it's.
The accent from Burundi.
I think-
But I understand
I think-
everybody, like, we have languages where some people cannot speak some exact words, like L and R. So,
Or
like,
Z.
Lira.
Rira.
Anyway,
Rira.
guys, forget about it.
I
You've
can't.
gotten it now.
But
Don't worry.
it's not that hard. Eh?
Yeah.
Maybe it's a part of accent, you know. So I really appreciate for
You're
your
welcome.
time. Maybe
Yeah.
guys, I'm gonna finish this video. Actually, it's not going even to be long like crazy. So do you have any last regard? Maybe you can tell me, or maybe my fans over there.
please guys, thank you so much for supporting Burundian Traveler. Please keep supporting
Really
him.
appreciate.
Let's always watch his videos, no skipping ads, and let's encourage him,
Thank
to
you.
do even better. Instead of judging and saying, hey, this, say that, try and be better.
For
Okay?
sure.
Yeah.
For me, I really appreciate a lot for your time.
You're welcome.
Guys, Devi, do you have anything maybe you can say to the people right there?
Okay, then thank you for coming to our home. Wish you all the very best in life, and you're such a genuine person.
Thank
Support
you.
my sister, my brother, me too, and
Thank you, brother.
thank you guys. Kindly subscribe to Burundian Traveler. Let's get him to 10,000 subscribers. Thank you.
Sure, thank you, bro. Thank you. So-
Alright, so goodbye, Burundian
So guys,
Traveler.
we are just to say goodbye, like maybe.
Okay, guys, I'm saying goodbye to Burundian Traveler.
Okay, bye bye.
Bye bye, and thank you so much.
Okay.
Yeah, guys.
See you again. All the best.
And without to forget, a guy called Aaron.
Yeah, Aaron Dante.
Aaron told me to give you 2 hugs. One of him.
Aaron should give me a hug with a bunch of money. Where is the money Aaron gave you?
Why money there? Why Aaron you didn't give me money like to give him?
Yeah, at least you should come with $1,000 for Aaron's hug. Aaron's hug is not free. I charge to
Aaron,
give
you hear
hugs
that?
for Aaron.
Aaron, you hear that? I got mine, so you need yours.
I'm joking, guys. I'm joking. Anyway, another one for Aaron Dante. He's such a
Okay.
nice person, and yeah, Aaron, thank you so much for your greetings. I really, really appreciate.
For sure,
you
thank
know?
you.
And we love you so much.
Okay, I really appreciate for giving to Aaron. So, Aaron, the things that the hug belongs to you is already right there. So, enjoy, huh?
Okay.
Okay, thank you very much. Let us say maybe bye bye.
Goodbye, guys.
Bye bye,
Bye-bye.
guys. Okay, thank you. Thank you.
Thank you so much, bro.
Okay.
Okay, see you
Let us say
guys.
bye bye. Okay. We are in a row.